Hello, I'm Andrea Akasha and welcome to Akashic Wonders. Today's general reading is going to be a good one. It is 6/23/26. That means today is the day of knowledge. 23, 2 plus 3 is 5, so we're going to say change. And then 26, 2 plus 2 plus 6 is 8, so that's abundance and financial security. Today, the universe wants you to focus on what changes do you need to make to level up your abundance? What changes do you need to make that will lead you to where you want to be financially? What knowledge do you need to be open to get you to that next level to where you will have unlimited abundance for the rest of your life? You will never have to worry about a paycheck or anything like that. The universe wants me to tell you that you have to listen to the ideas coming into your head right now. Be open to what can really change your life. I love you. The universe loves you. I'm going to do a full lengthy read on